Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today. For anyone who is new here, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Thank you so much for being here with me on my channel. I am so excited to be back. I knew I wanted to create a video just to let you guys know that I'm here. I'm on YouTube. You guys subscribe, share my content, share my video, but I will be creating now content for you guys. I used to create now content, so for anyone who used to follow me, raise your hand. No, but I know that you guys have been waiting. I know I just, fell off of YouTube. I stopped posting. I just left without saying anything. I apologize, you guys, so much, but just life got crazy. Everything got busy and I just couldn't keep up with the YouTube videos. I am going to be posting once a week. I figured out a schedule as to how to post. So you guys, I will be posting once a week. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my videos. Any suggestions, anything, you guys could comment down below. You guys could DM me. You guys can send me pictures that you guys want me to recreate. Anything like that. Feel free to message me and let me know what you guys want to see. I want to post what you guys want to see. But this video today is mostly just to let you guys know I'm back. I'm back. I'm here. I'm ready to create and just express myself here on YouTube, show you guys what I can create. I have missed this so much. You guys have no idea. So I'm excited that I figured out a way to squeeze YouTube back into my life and just thank you guys. Honestly, I cannot thank you guys enough. Anyone who motivated me, anyone who DM'd me, anyone who reached out to me asking if I was going to come back, asking me to come back, saying that you guys missed me. Honestly, I appreciate it so much. I would get DMs all the time telling me, and I really appreciate it. You guys know who you guys are, and thank you guys so much for supporting me back then and being here today. Thank you so much. I'm excited to just create. Honestly, I'm just excited to create for you guys. I'm excited to just show you guys what I can do for you guys, what I can teach you guys. If you guys could learn any tips and tricks, I would love that. For anyone who's new here, I do want to give you guys just a quick little background of where I left off the last time that I was here. So I would create polygel nails. I would create nail sets for you guys and do giveaways. I am a mommy of four, sorry. We are a family of four, not a mommy of four. I am a mommy of a little girl who is Aaliyah. If you guys follow me on social media, you guys have seen her. If you guys follow me back then, you guys have seen her already. I love posting her. She is 7 years old now, and I have a little boy named Zaire, so he is 2 now. If you guys followed me then, you guys know that I left right before I had him, so that pregnancy got a little rough. Not too rough, but it just got kind of hectic towards the end. And then I had him, and then just having a baby and having a little girl. They were 5 years apart, so Leah was 5 at the time. Was kind of crazy, and trying to manage everything, trying to manage work, trying to manage a mommy of 2, mommy of a newborn, mommy of a baby was kind of hard. So I ended up just leaving YouTube and just posting kind of here and there on Instagram. I missed you guys though. Honestly, I always wanted to come back and just create, but it just got crazy. Right now he is 2 years old, so it's been 2 years since I've been here on YouTube. But I honestly missed it. I missed it. I've been telling my husband about this for a minute now, and he said, might as well just figure out a schedule. We can squeeze this in, and if you really want to create, you can create, and I will watch the kids. So if you guys hear any background noise, it's them over there. But yeah, I am just so excited to be back. Like I said, any recommendations, anything, you guys feel free to comment down below. Let me know. I am just so excited to be back. Sorry if I'm like rambling. Sorry if I'm making no sense. I'm just so excited. I am just so excited to be back. And I just want to thank each and every one of you guys who is watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate all the love and support you guys have always shown me. I am so excited to be back, and you guys, I cannot wait to show you what I can create. I do have to mention, I used to do polygel nails, but now I will be doing Gelix nails. It is a lot quicker for me to do gel X nails. Now that I have 2 kids, I feel like the process is a little bit shorter. So I will be showing you guys how I do those. Maybe I'll go back to doing a little bit of polygel. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but for sure I will be doing gel X nails for now, and maybe doing like nail hauls for you guys. So if you guys have any recommendations as well of any websites, Shein, whatever, anything you guys want me to do, go ahead and comment down below. I honestly want to hear your feedback. Anything that you guys want to see, please let me know. I'm just so excited. I want to give you guys what you guys want to see, and honestly, I'm just so excited to be back. And thank you guys so much for all your support, and I will be back next week with a video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Okay, everyone, I had to add this in here because I told Aaliyah I am back on YouTube, and she's super excited, so she wanted to say hi. Drum roll, please.
Hi, my name's Aaliyah. I'm so excited for my mom to be back on YouTube. I'm going to be in more of her videos, so don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on my next video.
Bye.